certain velocity other than 90 degrees. The body is called projectile. The path of the projectile is parabola. What we will get final equation? Y equal to ax minus bx square. Ahi Krishna, here what is the value of a? Tan theta. What is the value of b? What is the value of b? G by 2u square cos square theta. Okay, this is the equation of the projectile. Okay, here now I discuss yesterday. This is the projectile diagram. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here body thrown, certain velocity, certain angle. Here none. Okay, in this projectile, this is called maximum height. What is the formula for maximum height? U square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, this is total here. Look here, here to here, total time is called time of flight. Here O to A, time of ascent, A to B, time of descent. Total time in the total journey, the time is called time of flight. What is the time of flight formula? 2u sin theta by g. Yesterday these are explained. Okay, today continuous class nana. Look here first. Range denoted by capital R. What is the meaning of range? Look here now. This is called x-axis. This is called y-axis. Okay. Here nana, here. This is the body nana. This body thrown into air with initial velocity u nana. Look here. Body thrown into an air with initial velocity u nana. It makes an angle theta. Okay. Body path is O to A. Again A to B. Okay. Here nana, in the total journey O to B, the total horizontal distance travelled by the body is called range. Simply, range is nothing but the distance. Here, the total horizontal distance travelled by the body in a complete journey. This is called range. Once again definition, what is the range nana? Total horizontal distance travelled by the body in the complete journey. Total horizontal distance is called as range. It is denoted by capital R. Once again I repeat, it is denoted by capital R. Okay, look here now. In the situation you resolve, angle says, yesterday I discussed u cos theta. This component is u sin theta. Angle says cos, remaining is sin. Any value is xy plane, it will be divided into components. U cos theta, u sin theta. Okay? Here in the situation, what is the range? Range means horizontal distance. Simply in the mathematics, distance means velocity into time. Okay? Horizontal distance means horizontal velocity into time. Total time is called, yesterday I discussed time of flight. Okay, look here. Horizontal distance is called range. What is the horizontal velocity? U cos theta. U cos theta into, what is the time of flight formula? Yesterday I given 2u sin theta by g. Okay, look here now. Last step now, neatly write u into u, u into u, u square, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Please check numerator, whole by g. Okay, here r equal to, look here nana, u square, 2 sin theta cos theta call as sin 2 theta whole by g. This is the formula for range. What is the formula for range? U square sin 2 theta by g. What is the formula for maximum height? Gurtundana, maximum height formula u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, what is the time of flight formula? 2u sin theta by g. These three formulas are very useful to solve the problems. What is the formula for range nana? U square sin 2 theta by g. Look the board nana here. Nana, for example, a body thrown 45 degrees angle. Look here now. Body thrown 45 degrees angle. 2 into 45, 90. Sin what angle? It becomes maximum. It becomes maximum. Sin 0, 0 degrees. Sin 30, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay, sin 90, 1. Simply sin 0, 0. Sin 30, 0.5. Sin 90, 1. Sin is maximum at, sin value is maximum at 90 degrees. Simply, ikkada 90 రావాలి అంటే theta value taken as 45, automatically sin is maximum. Sin maximum, automatically range is maximum. Nana, when range is maximum, theta value 45. Simply body thrown, athlete, that means javelin thrown, javelin nana, athlete ఏం చేస్తాడు, స్టిక్ ను తీసుకుని ఇట్లా త్రో చేస్తాడు. వాట్ యాంగిల్ తో త్రో చేయాలి? 45 degrees తో త్రో చేస్తే హియర్ సైన్ ఈజ్ maximum, automatically range is maximum because r depends upon the sign. Sign maximum, range is maximum. What is the formula for maximum range? U square by g. Okay, once again repeat. What is the formula for maximum range? Maximum range formula is u square by g. Okay, u square by g. This is the formula nana. What is the formula for maximum range? U square by g. What is the formula for range nana? U square sin 2 theta by g. A by b equal to r. Here what is the r? Range. Okay, here a comma b is constants. Look here nana Ruchit, a by b nana. Here what is the value of a? Tan theta whole by, what is the value of b? G by g by 2u square cos square theta. Look here. In the right side, here write tan theta into, okay, 2u square cos square theta whole by g. Okay, look here now. LHS can be taken, prove RHS. Tan theta write as in the mathematics sin theta by cos theta into 2u square cos square theta whole by g. In the situation cos theta cancel. Okay, look here, neatly write as u square 2 sin theta cos theta. Please check numerator whole by g. In the mathematics 2 into sin theta into cos theta write as u square 2 sin theta cos theta write as u square sin 2 theta by g. This is the formula for range. Once again, this is the formula for range. So simply we take a by b. Simply this is the formula for range. Simply a by b equal to r. Okay, once again I repeat, a by b equal to range. What is the value of a? Tan theta. What is the value of b? G by 2u square cos square theta. Simply solve that. A by b equal to range. A square by 4b equal to h. Okay, a square by 4b equal to h. ఇందాక ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేసాం? a by b equal to range. Okay, a square by 4b equal to h. LHS తీసుకుందామా కొండలు? To take LHS. What is the LHS? A square by 4b. In the situation, a value tan theta, a square tan square theta. 4 b write as g by 2 u square cos square theta. Neatly write as tan square theta write as sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay, into here denominator 4g into 2u square cos square theta. Look here, tan write as sin by cos. Cos square what? Cancel. 2, how many times cancel? 2 times. Finally we get, look here Nana, finally we get u square. Look here, next ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? sin square theta whole by 2 into g. This is left side is a square by 4b. We know that u square sin square theta by 2g write as maximum height. Simply two formulas keep in your mind. First formula is a by b equal to r. Second formula is a square by 4b equal to maximum height. Okay, look here. R equal to tan theta by 4. Look here now. Prove that h by r equal to tan theta by 4. అవుతుందో లేదో చూద్దామా? ఎప్పుడు మనం ఏం తీసుకున్నాం? LHS. ఫైనల్గా ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నాం? RHS. వాట్ ఈస్ ద LHS? h by r. We know that what is the formula for maximum height? U square sin square theta by 2g. What is the range formula? U square sin 2 theta write as 2 into sin theta cos theta u square sin 2 theta by g. Okay, here u square cancel, 2 g cancel. Finally here 1 sino cancel, sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Look here 2 into 2 4, neatly write h by r equal to tan theta by 4. h by r equal to tan theta by 4. What is the first formula? A by b, range. What is the second formula? A square by 4b equal to h. What is the third formula? H by r equal to tan theta by 4. Derivations are not necessary, only to remembering to look here Nana. Complementary angles means sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. First, for example, body thrown first 30 degrees, next thrown 60 degrees, 30 plus 60 90 degrees. These angles are complementary angles. Complementary angles means sum of the two angles is sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. One is 45, other one also 45. One is 20, other one is 70. Because 20 plus 70 equal to 90. One is 35, other one is 55. Because I discussed complementary angles. Complementary angles means sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Problem చేసేటప్పుడు 1 theta అయితే అదర్ యాంగిల్ ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి? 90 మైనస్ థీటా. బాడీ థ్రోన్ ఫస్ట్ యాంగిల్ థీటా, సెకండ్ యాంగిల్ 90 మైనస్ థీటా. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు యాడ్ థీటా ప్లస్ 90 మైనస్ థీటా, థీటా క్యాన్సిల్, ఫైనల్లీ we get 90. Simply complementary angles means sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. First concept I discuss maximum height. Look here now. Maximum height. What is the formula for maximum height? U square sin square theta by 2g. Okay? Here two cases are there. First case, body thrown what angle? Theta. Same body, same velocity. Thrown what angle? 90 minus theta. At an angle theta, corresponding maximum height is h1. Here, theta value write theta. Same formula nana. U square sin square theta by 2g. Look here. Here 90 minus theta here right. Tell me what corresponding height h2. Here write 90 minus theta u square by 2g. Okay. Here 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus theta neatly write as cos theta. All silver teacups. Sin of 90 minus theta. cos theta. Okay, here first case. What is the h1 by h2? According to question, please check h1 by h2 ratio. Here h1 by h2 write u square by 2g, u square by 2g cancel. Here sin square theta is there, here cos square theta is there. Ratio sin by cos tan. Simply, what is the formula for h1 by h2? Tan square theta. h1 by h2 tan square theta. Okay, h1 by h2 tan square theta. Next formula nana b. Look here, h1 plus h2 kavalana, h1 plus h2. Look here, what is the h1 value? U square sin square theta by 2g plus h2 value u square cos square theta by 2g. In the right side, which will be common? Right side, which terms are common? U square by 2g is common. U square by 2g is common into, here write, neatly write as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta write as 1. Simply h1 plus h2 equal to u square by 2g. U square by 2g. Okay, this is the B nana. C nana, the point C. The point C. Next determine h1 into h2. Look here nana. h1 into h2. Here both are multiplied. Okay, finally we get r square by 16. ఇది మీరు ప్రూవ్ చేసుకున్నాను, మల్టిప్లై చేసుకొని LHS RHS కంపేర్ చేయండి, అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, మీరు చేస్తారుగా, ఇది మీరు చేసేసుకున్నాను. ఇది ఇందులో లెంది అయిపోయింది, ఎందుకు అవసరం లేదు. ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి. మనం డిస్కస్ చేసింది ఏ యాంగిల్స్? కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్. అంటే బాడీ థ్రోన్ వన్ యాంగిల్ థీటా అయితే అదర్ యాంగిల్ 90 మైనస్ థీటా. h1 plus h2 formula u square by 2g. h1 by h2 formula tan square theta. h1 into h2 formula r square by 16. Okay, these three formulas keep in your mind. This is applicable. The question is complementary angles. One angle 25, other angle 55. Because both are at 90 degrees. Flight. Time of flight none. Look here. In the situation, one angle is theta, other angle is 90 minus theta. What is the time of flight basic formula? 2u sin theta by g. Okay, in the situation, first nana t1 equal to 2u sin theta by g. t2 is 2u sin of 90 minus theta cos theta by g. Okay, here theta substitute 90 minus theta. All silver teacups, sin of 90 cos theta. In the situation, the first question, t1 by t2, how much? Look here now. t1 by t2, how much? This is t1, this is t2. 2u by g cancel. Sin theta by cos theta, that means tan theta. Completed. Okay, b nana, B. What is the T1 square plus T2 square? Look here. T1 square plus T2 square. Here. What is the T1 square right side? 4u square by g square sin square theta plus 2. T2 square value right side 4u square cos square theta by g square. In the right side which will be common 4u square by g square common, remaining ahi sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the sin square theta plus cos square theta value? 1. So that's why T1 square plus T2 square equal to 4u square by g square. Okay? Next nana C. Nana ఇది మీరు చేసుకోండి నాన్న. T1 into T2 equal to 2r by g. Here r is called range. Once again I repeat. T1 into T2 equal to 2r by g. In the previous, what is the h1 into h2? Gurtunda r square by 16. Look here. T1 into T2 2r by g. h1 into h2 r square by 16. Okay. T1 into T2 2r by g. h1 into h2 r square by 16. These all formulas are applicable only complementary angles. Okay. Today study our nana 3 to 340.